Hey everyone, welcome back. Is the App Store telling your device that isn't able to download eFootball at all? Here's exactly what's causing it and how to fix it. This message almost always comes down to either storage or compatibility error. So first go to your settings, then go to general. Once you're there, go to iPhone storage and confirm you have several gigabytes of completely free space, since eFootball needs significant room just to begin downloading, and the App Store will block the download entirely rather than it let fail partway through. Free up storage by offloading a few large unused apps if needed. Then go to your settings, then go to general, then go to software update and confirm your iOS version, since eFootball has minimum iOS requirements and a device running a very old iOS version will be blocked from downloading it until you update. If your device is genuinely too old to meet football's minimum requirements, no amount of freeing up space will fix it. And that's confirmed directly by the App Store listing device compatibility requirements, which you can check before attempting to download again. So all you've got to do is free up significant storage, check iOS version meets the requirement, and confirm compatibility on App Store listing. The downloads unbox, and that's it. Subscribe.